Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the HealthSense HeartMate BP144 blood pressure monitor. So it comes in a box that looks just like this. The box actually doesn't say anything on it, it's just a standard cardboard box. So let me just go ahead and open that up. So there you are. Once you open up the box, this is actually what the box looks like. It says HealthSense on here. There you have it. It's the arm blood pressure monitor BP144, made for India. And what are the features of this device? So 2 users into 90 memories, irregular heartbeat indicator. It has a WHO indicator, 22 to 42 centimeter large adjustable cuff, scratch proof acrylic lens, intelligent pressurization, talking feature. It's compatible with a Type-C USB cable. There are 4 alkaline batteries which are included with this. It has a bright LED display. It calculates an average of the last 3 readings, okay, and it has a 1-year warranty. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Alright, so that's what it looks like. That's the HealthSense HeartMate BP144. As you can see, it has quite a large display. Keep that to one side. These are the 4 alkaline batteries that come included in the case. There's this little plastic tray. I'll take that off to one side. There's a warranty card that comes right here with some QR codes. Keep that off to one side, the warranty card. This is your user manual. So good idea to give it a read once if you want to know how to actually use this. This is your armband. It's got Velcro in it, as you can see. And this part right here, you'll probably plug into that. Okay, so there you have it, folks. This is exactly what you get in the box when you unbox the HealthSense arm blood pressure monitor, the BP144 pressure monitor. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.